Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to remove password this mobile patron lock. This mobile Redmi Y3 you can see here, and I have to try to more but it is not unlocked this mobile. So for unlock this mobile, then you have to power up this mobile and you have to hard reset by volume and power button. You can see here power volume plus button and power button press same time and hold it. Now leave power button and hold volume button plus. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. You can see here reboot and web data. Scroll down by volume and press power button and web data power button and come from it. You can see here this is restoring. Restore completed. Friends, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Don't forget my videos. You can see here this mobile is clear and hard reset pattern lock is unlocked. And set up this mobile. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. You can see here this mobile is unlocked completely. Just a second. Adding the finish touches. You can see here this mobile is unlocked and interface. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos, and don't forget it. Friends, this mobile pattern unlock and it is mobile unlocked completely. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So now bye, be back later, see you next videos and take care.